Main idea and supporting details are so important. If you were able to identify the main idea of what you read, that means that you have a very clear understanding of what you just read. Okay? So again, the main idea is what the text is mostly about. The way we can find the main idea is by looking at the title and headings, looking at pictures and captions, the first and last sentence, or repeated words that are told over and over and over again. Last time we looked at main idea as a pizza. Today we're going to look at it as an ice cream cone. So your cone is your main idea. The scoops that make the ice cream are the supporting details. Think of the different flavors as those supporting details. Our example here, the main idea is about erosion. Erosion slowly wears away soil and rock, and it changes the shape of the landscape over many years. Something that supports or backs up the idea of erosion is our first supporting detail. Rushing water from rivers wear away rock. So rushing water from rivers is a part of erosion. So it goes, your supporting details go back to your main idea. It has to do with your main idea. Our next supporting detail is rainwater washes away dirt and soil and dissolves certain types of rocks. So again, this supporting detail is one way that erosion occurs. So your supporting detail goes back to your main idea. Our third supporting detail, wind wears away the surface of rocks and mountains. Again, supporting detail backs up the main idea. Your supporting detail has to do with whatever your main idea is. So this wind wearing away the surface is another type of erosion. Let's look at this paragraph to try and identify our main idea and three supporting details. An average beehive consists of 20,000 bees. Within the colony, there are three types of bees, each with its own important job. One queen bee lives in a hive, and her only job is to fill the hive with eggs. In fact, a queen will lay about 1,500 eggs in just one day. Male bees are called drones. Their only job is to mate with the queen. Worker bees, on the other hand, are extremely busy. They are the female bees that lay no eggs. Their many jobs include cleaning, gathering pollen, building new comb, and taking care of larvae, baby bees. So within our first two sentences, we are given the main idea. They tell us that there are three types of bees, and they each have their own important job. So that is our main idea. The supporting details that are going to back up that main idea are going to be each type of bee. So the first supporting detail would be the queen bee, and her job is to fill the hive with eggs. So again, our information, our detail about the queen bee supports the main idea of a hive having three types of bees. Our second supporting detail is about the male bees, the drones, who mate with the queen bees. That is their job. And our third supporting detail is about the worker bees. They are the third type of bee, and we can list some of, we don't have to list all of, their many jobs. When we have a main idea, we want to back it up with at least 3 supporting details.